Here are my 3 favorite exercises for finding and developing mixed voice. Mixed voice is tricky because when you first start to develop it, it's unstable. It takes a little while, but these exercises will help you get there faster. The first exercise is B, as in book, and imitate my accent if you're not from the US, because it's not about the accent, it's about the vowel, B. That's it. We're going to start with the lower voice types and say, B, 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 B. Be careful the vowel doesn't go B, 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 B. That's not going to mix. B, 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 B. That's it. You'll feel a little lift on the top. It goes to a different place. One of inclining back. Now, that's it. It's right in your mix. Good. Now we can have the higher voice types jump in. That's it. There's your mix. That's it. Keep the vowel. The vowel's going to give you the mix. Like you're talking. That's it. Right there. Right in the mix. The key, that first of all, that B vowel, B, it's going to stabilize the larynx. It's going to give you some higher pressure in the vocal tract, which is going to help the vocal cords come together better. And then that vowel acoustically is going to put you in the right place. Exercise number 2 is nay. And the nay is kind of bratty. Nay, aw man. And what this does is it creates essential narrowings in the vocal tract that boost the higher frequencies. Some people call this twang. And we're going to take this twang energy and use it to help us find our mix. You can do this on any scale. I'm going to keep it really simple and use the same scale for all 3 exercises. Lower voice types, we shall say, nay, 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 nay. You can crinkle the nose, you can make a face. Nay, 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 nay. That's it. Keep it bratty. That's it. The attitude will do the work, so you don't have to squeeze. Good. Nay, 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 nay. Good. Right into the mix. It'll pop in. Good for you. That's your mix. Yep. Chest, mix. You got it. We are going to now take the higher voice types. Same thing. That bratty nay. Good. Nay, 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 nay. Good. Let the bratty do the work. It's right in your mix. Good for you. And then my third favorite exercise is WON, one. This is a filter sweep, wah, wah. So let those lips come narrow, one. And we're going to drop the jaw a little bit. This is more of a spoken sound. Say it for me. One. Good. Lower voice types. We're going to start on the top and go down. One. That's it. It's not 1, 1, 1, but 1, 1, 1, 1. And you can even make the top a little more 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, one, 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 one. Anticipate that lift. That's it. Beautiful. That's mix. Good. Higher voice types, it's your turn. Starting here, 1. You got it. There you go. Mix, chest. Mix, chest. Good. Mix. If it strains, don't push it. That's it. 1. Those 3 exercises work wonders. They really do. They're fantastic. You can do these on different scales, whatever you prefer. Just have fun. Take it easy. Don't push. Nothing comes from pushing. If you're caught between feeling like you're going to grab and yell or go into falsetto, go into falsetto. You can work and build from there. But if you start yelling, that really starts to build coordinations and grabbing in the nervous system that's harder to undo. So if you want help with all this stuff, I have a link to my book, Beginning Singing. You can get it free. It's a free download of the book. I have the link below, and we will talk soon. Take care.